Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create talking AIs with the help of Synthesia. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Synthesia is an AI video generation platform that lets you create realistic talking avatars. So instead of hiring actors or recording yourself, you can just type in a script and the AI avatar speaks it naturally in your chosen voice and language. So for this, you need to go and sign up into your Synthesia account. So once you type in the official website of Synthesia, you can simply get access to the page. Now you can simply follow the on-screen details to help you log in into your Synthesia account. Once you have logged in into your Synthesia account, you can simply start a new video. Create new video option is simply found on your dashboard. Tap on it and you will see a video editor with options to add text, avatars and background. Now choose an avatar that is 150 plus stock avatars from your Synthesia app itself. So you can find this all in the website. Now you can pick a voice and language and customize your video. After doing this, you can click on generate and Synthesia's AI will generate your video usually within few minutes. Now you can download and share the video and you're all done. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.